This can be you. This can be me. This can be us. You may be a guy whose girlfriend left him and married somebody else. Or maybe a girl who's starving daily just because people like you and me call her fat. A woman who's facing domestic violence every single day, every single minute. Want to take divorce but cannot leave her kids behind. A person who's bankrupt or maybe all lost in his business. Sitting all alone in a restaurant, not able to tell his family what he's going through. They all seem smiling when in public, but inside they're dying. Financial problem, career not set up, exams not going well, having domestic violence, people calling you ugly and fat. Your girlfriend or your boyfriend left you for somebody else. We all have gone through this at least once in our life when we think to end our life up when nothing's going right. Before you take any kind of step like this, let me just tell you something. The person you're watching on the screen right now has gone through all this. So yes, I can understand what you're going through. I can feel what you're going through. But instead giving you a shoulder to cry, I would suggest you to become your own shoulder, to become your own partner, to become your own pillar. And you know what? You are just one decision away from a complete different life. Yes, the decision not to cry anymore, the decision to live for yourself and not to think what people will say. Change your whole damn company. Live with people who make you feel good, motivate you, and try to bring the good out in you rather than insulting or abusing you or making you feel depressed. You never know whom you meet at what point of life who can change your life completely for your good. So don't give up, because you won't get the things that you're about to get after the blues. To value and cherish the good times when you have seen the bad times. Now, and I just don't know anything about your story. So your one decision could be a complete whole damn different thing for your life. So smile, because with scars, you're beautiful. With damages, you become stronger. You're the hero of your story, and trust the process, because the one reason for not giving up your life lies within you.
Si não sabes quem sou, eu sou Chetan Kalyap, ele é Abhishek Jaiswal. Se eres nuevo en el canal, subscribe to my channel.
Hey, if you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.
Yeah, I want the subscribe button to be smashed. Click it, lick it, punch it, but I want that subscribe button to be smashed. And that notification icon, you want to turn on, right?
Yes.
So, this is our Instagram and our social media accounts right here and in the description as well. So subscribe to him, follow him on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Feliz ligar, te amo. Deuces.